Austin is a vibrant, growing city. I think we've been told we're the fastest growing city in the United States. We have the state capitol here, and we also have the University of Texas, which has in excess of 50,000 students. The way that Austin's set up, there were a lot of areas that only had 3, 4, 5 spaces on a block face. Our strategy had to be that we would have to have a combination of pay stations and single space meters. From a technology standpoint, we wanted green technology, so we wanted solar meters. We also wanted to use credit cards. Although our cost is only $1 an hour, we have 3 and 5 hour meters. That's why we looked at IPS, because it met all those requirements. It's also helped us from a technology standpoint. We've got an app that was developed called ParkMe that takes all this information from both the single space meters and the pay stations. They've developed algorithms, and we now have an app that tells people where parking is available. Basically, that came from Parkeon and IPS working together. We can use this information to give to the citizens to show them where parking is available, and then we as a city can use the information to really manage our parking. I mean, it's the only way to really run a business is with data. I'm pretty much sold on technology and the way it's going nowadays and what it can give us from a business perspective. Really, for the first time, municipalities can run their parking operation like a business, where they weren't able to before because of the technology and the reports that we get from both IPS and Parkeon.